Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that plagues businesses of all sizes, the payment method maze. You know the feeling. Customers want to pay with their preferred option, but your system only accepts a handful. Transactions get bogged down, frustration builds, and sales potentially slip through your fingers. But fear not, fellow entrepreneurs. There's a solution in sight, and it's called Mamopay. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of what payment methods Mamopay accepts, let's take a quick step back. Why are diverse payment options so important? Think about it. In today's digital world, people expect convenience. If your checkout process feels clunky or limited, they'll bounce faster than a bad Wi-Fi signal. Offering a variety of payment methods shows your customers you care about their experience and makes the buying process smoother. Plus, it opens your business up to a wider audience. Some folks prefer the classic credit card swipe, while others might be more comfortable with digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Catering to these preferences translates to more sales opportunities. All right, enough with the why, let's talk Mamopay. Finally, I hear you say. Here's the good news, Mamopay is all about flexibility. They understand the importance of diverse payment options, which is why they offer a bunch of ways for your customers to settle their bills. First up, the classic duo, credit and debit cards. Mamopay accepts all major players, including Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, though for Amex, there's a slight currency caveat we'll get to in a moment. This covers a huge chunk of your customer base right off the bat. But Mamopay doesn't stop there. They also understand the growing popularity of digital wallets. So, if your customers are fans of Apple Pay or Google Pay, they can use those platforms seamlessly with Mamopay. It's a quick tap and they're good to go. Thinking about expanding internationally? Mamopay has you covered there too. They allow transactions in over 15 different currencies, giving you the freedom to reach customers across borders. This is especially helpful if you run an online store or offer services globally. Now, remember that Amex caveat I mentioned? While Mamopay accepts Amex, it's currently limited to transactions in AED, the United Arab Emirates dirham, and USD, US dollar. Hopefully, they'll expand Amex support for other currencies in the future, but for now, that's something to keep in mind. So, is Mamopay the ultimate payment method solution? Well, as with most things in business, it depends on your specific needs. Mamopay offers a great range of options, but it's always a good idea to check their website or contact their support team for the latest updates. They might have added even more features since this video. Here's the bottom line, Mamopay prioritizes flexibility and caters to a wide range of customer preferences. If you're looking to streamline your payment process and open your business up to new opportunities, Mamopay is definitely worth checking out. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more business tips and tricks. Until next time, keep hustling.